Hey, Ken.
Hey, Stacey.
Welcome to Ken and the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Welcome to Ken Pie, the Science Guy.
Yeah, what? Wait. Pie? I'm Bill Nye's cousin, Ken Nye. So, what's with the pie?
Yeah, pi, the ratio of 4 times the radius squared of a surface of a sphere.
What?
What's the area of a circle?
Well, pi r squared, I suppose.
No, because pies are round.
Right. Anyway, today we're talking about Buckyball.
Yay!
Buckyball is a spherical fullerene. Unfortunately, it's not named after Bucky the Badger.
Aww.
But Richard Buckminster Fuller, the guy who invented geodesic domes. It was shortened to Buckyball because it resembles a football. And we're talking about a football here, not a hand egg. Its shape resembles a geodesic dome, kind of like the one on top of Barlow Planetarium. The really unique thing about Buckyball is that it's made out of pentagons and hexagons. And the pentagons never touch, like a football. Because of this, Buckyball is very stable. There are single bonds where the hexagons touch the pentagons, and double bonds where hexagons touch each other. Here, I made you a model.
That's a pretty stiff get you got there, Ken. How fascinating.
Also, because of its spherical shape, Buckyball has 120 different planes of symmetry. This makes it the most symmetrical carbon molecule in the known universe.
No way!
Yeah, Buckyball is a solid black powder and will dissolve in nonpolar solvents. Since it is so stable, it can naturally be found in soot. Now, Stacey, I know you're a history nut. Can you tell us how Buckyball was discovered?
Of course! Buckyball was discovered in 1985 by accident. Robert F. Carl Jr., Sir Harold W. Carlt, and Richard E. Smalley were doing experiments to make a long-chain carbon, which they thought made up interstellar dust. They did get large numbers of carbons, but the 60 carbons stuck together were in a sphere rather than a chain. In 1984, they won the Nobel Prize for their discovery. Know any uses for the Buckyball, Ken?
Well, Stacey, Buckyball has a few common uses. Right now, it's being used as a treatment for HIV. It attacks the protease HIV creates, rendering it useless. It can also be used as a catalyst to replace expensive and/or poisonous metals. Fullerenes can also jacket metal ions as well, like me. Ha 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 ha. Hey, Stacey, did you know that fullerenes are also being used as armor?
Yeah, I heard that. See, fullerenes are actually a large group that consists of 3-dimensional carbon structures. Those carbon nanotubes everyone talks about are actually fullerenes. Carbon nanotubes are 5 times stronger than steel and half the weight of aluminum. So it's like, holy cow, it's the Hercules of strength.
Right. Carbon nanotubes also show potential as superconductors and semiconductors, so they could be used in computers in the future. Is there anything else to discuss?
Well, there's the boring part. Molecular weight 720, density 1.72 grams per centimeters cubed, molecular diameter 7 angstroms or 0.7 nanometers. And the reactivity. Buckyball does react with halogens and some metals. I imagine they can attack the double bonds between hexagons. That should be about it.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for the help, Stacey.
You're welcome.
And to you, viewers, thanks for watching.
Ken Pie, the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. science guy.